Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Introduction. Kids, geometry has a long and rich history. The term geometry in English is equivalent to Greek word geometron, where geo means earth and metron means measurement. The geometrical idea shaped up in ancient times. Construction of magnificent palaces, temples, lakes, dams, and cities. Art and architecture popped up these ideas. Here, you will learn some interesting facts that will help you know more about shapes around you. Point. Take the sharp pencil. Now by the sharp tip of pencil, mark a dot on the paper. Well kids, this almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of point. A point determines a location. They are denoted by capital letters like A, B, C, etc. Line segment. Take a piece of paper, now fold it. And now unfold it. The fold on paper gives the idea of a line segment. Following are some of the models of line segment. A line. Imagine that a line segment from A to B is extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B in the other direction. You now get a model for a line. A line through 2 points A and B is written as line AB. It extends indefinitely in both directions. So, it contains a countless number of points. Intersecting line. If two lines, L1 and L2, pass through point P, we say L1 and L2 intersect at P. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines. Following are some of the examples. Well, have you seen letter X of English alphabet? Of course you've seen. That's an example of intersecting line. And even crossing roads are an example of intersecting line. Parallel line. If two lines in a plane do not meet each other, then those lines are parallel lines. I'll give you an example. Opposite edges of ruler, crossbars of window, rail track, etc. Ray. A ray is the portion of a line. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in the other direction.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें।
Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Use the figure to name A. 5 points, B. a line, C. 4 rays, D. 5 line segments. Solution. If we notice the figure, students, we can get our 5 points as B, C, D, E and O. B. Now we have to look for a line. Well, a line would be line DB or line BD. C. Let us find out 4 rays. The 4 rays would be ray OB, ray OC, ray OD and ray OE. D. 5 line segments. 5 line segments are line segment OB, line segment OC, line segment OD, line segment DE and line segment OE. Question number 2. Name the given line in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given letters. Well, you've seen the line, right? So what do you think the solution would be? Correct. Line AB, line BC, line CD, line BA, line CB, line DC, line AD, line AC, line CA, line BD, line DB, line DA, Question number 3. Use the figure to name A. Line containing point E. Solution. Kids, let us see the figure. I think it is line AE which is containing the point E. B. Line passing through A. Well, the answer would be line AE which is passing through A. C. Line on which O lies. What do you think? Yes, you're right. It is line OC on which the point O lies. D. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. Well, line OC and line AE and line AE and line EF are the 2 pairs of intersecting lines.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।